I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must verify eligibility before you begin. Gather national ID, proof of address, and tax forms. Once you have documents, open AdSense and go to Payments. Click Manage Settings, then Add or Edit Payment Profile to start creating a profile for your new country. Make sure to enter accurate address formatting and select the correct currency when prompted. Errors here block payouts. Save changes and expect verification prompts. Do not skip tax info. Match it to your new residency to avoid withholding or payment holds. Once the new payment profile exists, switch your primary profile to that country in Payments Manage Settings. Update bank account details to a local bank that accepts the chosen currency. Mismatched banks cause declines. Then update tax information, select correct treaty status, and provide local tax ID. This affects withholding. You may need to re-verify identity via phone or upload a utility bill. After submission, expect processing time. Monitor the account for verification emails and any action requests. Finish by making the new profile primary and completing PIN or microdeposit verifications. This enables payouts. Once done, review payment history and ensure upcoming payments target the updated profile and bank. If payments are delayed or rejected, check for currency mismatch, IBAN/ACH formatting, and address inconsistencies. These are common causes. If problems persist, collect screenshots, transaction ID, and rejection messages. Then contact AdSense support. Escalate with clear evidence to speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.